Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Sharing Knowledge video tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to view update history in Windows 11. Windows 11 updates always comes with quality updates and new features to improve or fix something in the performance of your PC. Also, you can easily access the update history to see the information about all those updates present on that list. To do that, open the Windows settings by pressing Windows logo key plus I. On the settings page, from the left pane select Windows Update, then go to right pane under Windows Update settings, click on Update History. As you can see here, the list of all the updates installed as well as is visible in the Update History page. You can see these quality updates, definition updates and other updates. That's all. I hope this video helps you. Thanks for watching and supporting. I hope this video helps you. Thanks for watching and supporting. Please don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Your contribution is more confidence to us. If you have any issues, so please let me know in the comment section below. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more useful videos. Once again, thanks for watching and supporting. See you in next video. Bye. Take care.